just like you're young again. No, don't you cry.
Hey amazing people, it's your girl Kasanzaa and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome home. If you're returning subscriber, baby, you know the vibes over here. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel for amazing content. So guys, today we're going to be trying coastal snacks. Like, I've tasted some of these snacks, others sijawai jaribu, but we are all going to be doing it together on camera so that we can rate them. I'll be rating them from 1 to 10. So I have this bag, it's full of snacks. Of course I'm not going to be eating, I'm just going to be tasting because this is a lot of food if I was eating. So the first thing that you're going to begin with is a common one that almost everybody has tasted, and it's the mabuyu. So I have two mabuyus. I have the red ones and the purple one. So I'm going to be tasting the two and then I rate it. But rating mabuyu is so ghetto because I'm sure everyone has tried mabuyu, but I'm going to be comparing these ones and the red ones. Imerarua vibaya. I will go with the red ones. These ones are so sweet. I love them. The next one is, you all know, hizi ni dates. They mbona ni product of Dubai. These dates are not from Mombasa, they're from Dubai because it's written product of the UAE, but I bought them in Mombasa. But unajua as in is our Arabs, you know, Arabs, there are Arabs in Dubai and also Arabs in Mombasa. So there are two types of dates. Kuna zenye zilikuwa zinakaa dryish, and then there were these ones. Zile nikalia so juicy and stuff, and I was like, apparently I'm not a fan of sugar, but we're going to try these ones. Of course nakula tukambili, I don't like sugary things. Cut it and then we are going to be tasting it. Na hizi makasi zimekuwa blunt bana. They're not working, hazifanyi kazi. Tukate na mdomo ni. Tukate na mdomo ama tufanyaje? Yo. I'll be chewing your boyfriend. Let's taste like dates. If you know, you know. They are fruits. They have seeds. They're desert fruits. But then it's bro. These ones are so sweet. I forgot. The mabuyu, I will rate it. The red one, 10 over 10. The purple one, 9 over 10. I don't know. Something was weird about it. Likuwa na coconut. I don't know. The dates, 10 over 10. Like, they're so fleshy sweet, but 10 over 10 for someone who loves sugar. For me, I'll give it a 6. I don't like sugar. Hadi sasa inasikia tunataka kunywa maji. Kufanya videos kama hizi ni weird. Next one is hii. You've all seen this one. It's usually groundnuts with in honey. Watu wengi wametest. If you've never tasted, they are even in Nairobi, but zinakuanga tamu. They're usually so sweet. Any tamu. I promise you, it's so sweet. I will give it a 9. You're 1% need to spend sugar. So the next thing we have is kashata. You've all heard of kashata. Kila mtu karibu hapa ameonja kashata. It's usually coconut with food color. What else? Hebu nione. Kashata ni tamu bana. Something you should try. It's like the coconut. See coconut milk. Inanuka mafuta ya nazi. 10/10. The next thing inaitwa achari. This two ni achari. Any achari yenye iko na food color, any plain. Achari ni dried mango. You got me? But this is my favorite coastal snack. Do I love mangoes? You know that. If you know why I love mangoes. I love them. Okay, achari ni tamu in general. I can eat this kachupa by myself at once. Kupata kale kapilipili kama the. It's sorry for you. Let me try the one with food color. This is super dry and sugary. This is sugary. So I'll give this one 9. Too dry. Nikachipuza maembe. This is like korosho. These ones korosho. Korosho za pwani. They are cashew nuts, korosho. They grow there. They're also in some very few parts of Ukambani. I love nuts. Give it a 10. 11. Isn't it tamu? This is a 10/10. Ukijaribu korosho. Kwanza these ones zenye ziko tu zimetoka Mombasa hivyo. Hazina preservatives, nothing. They're so sweet. What I have here, this is zote mbili sijajaribu. This is the snack yenye sijui jina. Na hizi ni sim. Never tasted it before. I hope it's not trash cause nanuka mafuta ya gari. Ni bita kiasi. Bruh. This is sweet. Hata sikuwa na expect. It's not even sugary. Alafu sijui zimewekwa nini ndo zishikane. You see like it's solid. Which is like weird to me. You need to seeds. This is 10. I feel like I've tasted these seeds before. Sijui ni wapi nimekula same. The taste is familiar lakini tamu. Chakula.
Unazifanya nini seeds?
Unazifry. Your people should try fried pumpkin seeds. I'm telling you. My home people, my home girls, my home boys. Kama umetest hizo niambie in the comment section below. Or if you have tried it. Nilikuwa nashangaa the taste is so familiar na taste hivyo. Like they are so sweet. And this is I don't know, man. This is actually peanuts. I give it a 7. It's so sugary. It is kama peanut ya mkate, like so sweet. focus on peanut, but the sugar, no. So sugary. I even can take more than that, but it's so sweet. But ni peanuts, literally. So guys, that is the end of this video. I did this video like 101% for fun, just to sit here, eat, rant, and waste your time, because why not? That's my job.